What are you doing? Hi, baby. What are you doing? You got the hiccups? Oh, are you looking for something? You just ate. Would you like some more? You took a good nap this morning. Hey. Can you say hi? Baby Dylan. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Oh, yeah? Oh. What are you doing? You look kind of big in here, huh? Even though you're just a little tiny guy. You only weigh 7 pounds now. Oh, so small. But not for long. Say hi. Oh, I love you. Bye-bye.